Thousands protest in Portugal over housing crisis. Protests have taken place across Portugal over the housing crisis, with soaring housing prices and rents causing difficulties for many people, particularly the young. Despite the government's recent housing package, which included measures to address the crisis, such as ending the Golden Visa scheme and banning new licenses for Airbnb properties, critics argue that it will not be enough to lower prices in the short term. With high inflation and low wages, Lisbon has been ranked as the world's third least viable city to live in. Oil jumps $5 per BBL as surprise OPEC Plus output cuts jolt markets. OPEC Plus announced a surprise decision to cut production by about 1.16 million barrels per day, resulting in oil prices surging by around $5 a barrel. This move was unexpected as the group was expected to maintain its earlier decision to cut output by 2 million barrels of oil per day until December. Goldman Sachs lowered its end 2023 production forecast for OPEC Plus by 1.1 million barrels of oil per day and raised its Brent price forecasts to $95 and $100 a barrel in 2023 and 2024 respectively. Analysts believe that this move could drive oil prices above $100 a barrel, despite criticism from the Biden administration. CME debuts offshore yuan options to tap rising trading demand. CME Group has launched options trading for Chinese yuan futures, in a move to deepen the market and compete with banks that dominate options by selling directly to customers. Investors use this market for hedging against moves in China's currency. Hong Kong has been offering similar exchange-traded options since 2017. The CME options have a range of expiry dates from weekly to a year and are based on futures contracts with a notional amount of $100,000. The move is expected to attract interest from investment institutions to small-time traders who are interested in exchange-traded yuan products. Russia declares efficient cooperation with Belarus despite sanctions pressure. April 2 is the Day of Unity of the Peoples of Russia and Belarus. Russian President Putin congratulated Belarusian President Lukashenko on this occasion, emphasizing the effective cooperation between the two countries in defense, security, finance, economics, science, and technology. Despite facing sanctions, Russia and Belarus are trying to expand cooperation and implement programs to strengthen the financial, economic, and technological sovereignty of the Union state. Every year on April 2, Russia and Belarus celebrate the Day of Unity of the Peoples to commemorate the signing of the Treaty on the Creation of a Union State of Russia and Belarus. Integration processes are being accelerated in most areas to create favorable conditions for the formation of a unified economic space between the two countries.